Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up Windows 10 Troubleshooter Error Code 0x803c0103. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all type a cmd and open a command prompt, run as administrator. After opening that, type a first of all command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After entering that, it's required of a few minutes to complete the this process. Okay guys, after completing that, now type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash check health and press enter. After doing this, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash scan health and press enter. After that, typing commands, after a few seconds the scanning will be started. Okay guys, after completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. Now type a command is once again dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. Now after doing these steps, now restore health will be started. It's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, type a exit and press enter. After doing this step, restart your computer, and after restarting that, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, run as administrator. Okay guys, after that type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is net space stop space bits. After doing this step, type a command is net space stop space CRYPTSVC and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is REN space C slash forward slash Windows forward slash software distribution space software distribution .old and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is REN space C dots forward slash Windows forward slash system32 forward slash CATROOT 2 space catroot 2.old and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV press enter. After doing this step, type a command is net space start space bits press enter. After doing this step, type a command is net start CRYPTSVC and press enter. After doing this step, type exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of the Windows and go to your update and security. After doing this step, go to your recovery and click on get started. Now after doing this step, select keep my files. Now after doing this step, select cloud download, and when you click on a cloud download, is Windows automatically download and restart install it, and after doing this process your problem is fixed. I hope so. Click on a cloud download. Now you can see that downloading and reinstart, and click on a next button. It's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.